You won't believe how good and addictive this is. With few ingredients, I'll share with you a detailed recipe for making this crunchy and delicious Nigerian snack. It's a snack from northern Nigeria called Dublan. So let's make something seriously addictive, shall we? To a bowl, add in flour, and we're using 4 cups of well sifted flour for this. And then you're going to go in with 4 tablespoons of sugar, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, go in with 1 egg, and then you're going to add some water. You're going to keep adding water in bits, then mix properly, mix together till very well mixed. Then go ahead with some more water if it needs more water and keep mixing. Mix properly till everything is well combined. If it's too stiff, add some more water and keep mixing. So keep adding water till your dough comes together. I used a total of 1 cup and 1/3 cup, so 1 and 1/3 cup of water for this. Okay, so after your dough comes together, go ahead and knead a bit further till it gets this smooth, just like this. Okay, when your dough is smooth like this, just the way you see like this, it shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be sticky, just like this. Then you're going to keep it aside, and then you'll cover. You can use a cling film or plastic wrap or anything, just cover and let it rest for about an hour. So while it's resting, we're going to make our sugar syrup. So in here I added 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, cardamom and some cloves. These are quite optional. I squeezed in a half lime, you can use lemon, and then I threw in the other half of the lime for extra flavor. Then I placed it on the fire and I let it cook. You're going to cook this till it starts to thicken. Don't let it thicken too much, okay? You don't want it to thicken too much. As soon as it starts to thicken, just like this, just take it off heat because it is going to thicken up more when it's cooled down. So it's been about an hour and our dough is perfect for use. It's gotten way softer, and now it's time to roll this and cut. So sprinkle some flour, then place your dough on your work surface and you're going to cut this. Divide it into 2 and you're going to divide each of these into roughly the same size. I got a total of 16 pieces. Yours could be more than that or less than that, but the bigger you cut yours, the bigger your Dublan will be, and the smaller you cut yours, the smaller it will be. So I got a total of 16 pieces. I'll just put them all into this bowl and cover it while I roll it one after the other. So you're going to roll it like this, thin. You don't want to widen it up too much, okay? So just roll it like this, thin and long. Yours could even be thinner, so the thinner the better. So roll it really long like this. So by the time you're done rolling, it should look like this. You should be able to stretch it like this, and when you stretch it, it shouldn't break apart, it shouldn't tear up. It should be really stretchy like this. And this is how to fold it, okay? You just turn it like this and then you just press it down. You don't need to add water or any paste. This is just okay. So you're going to need to just sprinkle some flour and just place it like this so that it doesn't stick. Then you sprinkle some flour and just keep placing more and more over it till you're done. So keep rolling the way we did the first time till you exhaust everything. So while we rolled, I'd like to remind you to like this video if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you so much. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and to my new viewers, please do well to subscribe. I have lots of valuable content here for you. So when you're done rolling, then you sprinkle some flour and then you keep stacking them up on each other. Let's roll one last time. So you roll like this, roll it, widen it up a bit. Don't roll it too wide because we want it to be thin and long, so that we'll be able to fold it properly, okay? So just roll it long like this. It should be stretchy like this. You should be able to stretch it very well like this and not tear apart. Then you keep stacking it up, sprinkle some flour, and then you just keep stacking them up on each other one after the other till you're done. So this is it. it shouldn't stick together. If you find that it's sticking together, then you didn't add in enough flour. So after we're done with that, you're going to add some oil to our pan. You need to add enough oil because it needs to be deep fried. While our oil is getting hot, you go ahead and fold them all. Okay, so this is how to fold. Just press it down like this, and that's it. So take another one, widen it up, and just get the end of each and then just press it down. You don't need to glue it with any liquid or anything. It's not going to tear apart. Just repeat the process. It's actually pretty easy. So keep repeating the process till you're done with all of them. So at this point, we're done. And this is what everything looks like. This looks so beautiful. At this point, our oil is ready and we're just going to fry. I'm doing this so that to have that bubbly thing at the top. I don't know if you can see, the top is already forming that bubble. So when it's brown, to however you'd like, go ahead and just flip, let it fry on the other side. Please don't overcrowd your pan. Put in enough. You don't want to put too much. When it's done, then go ahead and take it off the heat. Please like this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment, and share this video to people you think might benefit from this. So when you're done, take it off heat and place in a paper towel and go ahead and fry the rest. Repeat the process and just keep pouring the oil like this over them so it will have that bubbly like thing at the top. When it's brown, go ahead and flip, and then when it's ready, then you can take it off the oil. I remember growing up, I used to love this so much and I had no idea how it's made, and it's kind of like a luxury because it's not something that was made quite often. But now that I know how to make it, I'm going to make it as much as I can because I love it a lot and it's something you definitely love. It's all ready and so crispy. So after the sugar syrup has cooled down, this is what it looks like. This is the consistency. Honestly, if it's thicker than this, it's actually not great. It's better for it to be this runny. It's just better this way, okay? I'll filter the cloves and cardamom. So there's a lot of ways to coat this. You can just dip it in like this and then just shake off the excess syrup and just keep it aside. Go ahead and repeat the process. If you prefer to just dip it this way, it's also a good one. But another way you can do it is just go ahead and place some of your Dublan in, then you add the syrup at the top. Shake to make sure it touches all the sides. After you have done that, then you can add some more Dublan, then you can add the syrup at the top. Just keep repeating the process till you've added in all of the Dublan and you've added all the syrup, okay? This is so good. Trust me, you can try this recipe and you're going to love it. There is nobody that I have given this to that doesn't like it. Everybody keeps saying, oh my god, I love this, I love this. Look how crunchy this is. It's so good. I'll go ahead and drizzle some of the syrup in, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.